friends, we're doing a science experiment.
Yep, we're doing a science experiment. What do we have for our science experiment today? We have some raisins. How many raisins do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do a science experiment with raisins and soda. Dun, dun, dun. What letter does soda start with?
S.
S. Good job, Quinny. S, soda. But before we start our experiments, we have to go over the scientific method right here. Number 1, we're going to use our brain and think really, really hard to predict what's going to happen. Then we're going to use our eyes and look really, really hard and observe what actually happens. And then, number 3, we're going to write down what we saw or record our observations. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
The first step that we do is we predict. So Quinn, what do you think is going to happen to the raisins when you drop them in the soda?
Everything's going to explode the whole house into a Diet Coke.
You think it's going to explode the whole house into a Diet Coke? Okay, that's your prediction. Now let's observe what happens. Drop your raisins in. Maddox, drop your raisins in. Max, what do you think is going to happen to the raisins? Put them all in, Quinny. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
What's happening?
It's fizzing.
Look it, it's fizzing. That's right, Maddox. You see fizz. What else is happening? Oh, what did the raisin do? Did you see that? Did you see it? Look, one's floating up.
And one's floating down.
Look, they're moving. Maddox, look at your raisins. They're oh, it went back down. What are the raisins doing? Are they jumping?
Yeah.
Whoa, here comes another one up. Oh my goodness. That's so, oh, how are you doing that? Is it magic?
Yep.
How are you doing it? Do you see all the bubbles around the raisin? Whoa. Maddox, do you know what's making your raisins dance?
Yum, 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 yummy, yum.
Quinny, do you know what's making your raisins dance? See the bubbles?
Water.
It's called carbonation. Can you say carbonation?
Carbonation.
Carbonation is making your raisins jump up and down in soda. Look at that, Maddox. Your raisins are going crazy. Whoa. Okay, now that we observed our raisins in our soda water, what's number 3? Write down what you saw. Record observations. And Quinny, this is your observation you made. You said, here's your raisins jumping in the water. I saw the raisins jumping and dancing. Good job, Quinny. And do we know why they were jumping and dancing? Do you remember?
Because the bubbles and Corny and
carbonation.
Because that was making the bubbles dancing. And it's true.
You're so smart. Kiss your brain. Okay, say bye to your friends.
Bye, friends.
You want to say bye?
Bye, friends.